Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making Biscoff Cupcakes. The first thing I'm going to do is make my cupcake mixture. In a bowl I'm going to beat together butter, and light brown sugar. I'm now going to add in my eggs and self-raising flour. Into my cupcake tray, I have placed some cupcake cases. I'm now going to take spoonfuls of my cupcake mixture and place them into the cases. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees. I'm going to bake my cupcakes in the oven for 17 to 20 minutes or until a skewer poked into one of the cakes comes out clean. In my bowl, I'm going to add some more butter. I'm now going to beat it to loosen it. As I'm whisking, I'm now going to add in my icing sugar. I'm going to whisk for 3 to 4 minutes until it's thoroughly combined and smooth. I'm now going to add in my smooth Biscoff spread. If you need to, you can now add 2 tablespoons of boiling water. It should have a whipped consistency. When my cupcakes have cooled, I have placed my buttercream into a piping bag. I'm now going to pipe my icing on top. You can decorate your cupcakes however you like. I just used sprinkles on mine. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.